These ombre nails are perfect for the Halloween season. I'll be using the new Beetles Midnight Elegance set. Their new formula is Hema free, and I want to thank Beetles for sending it over. I love the holographic details. And wow, just look at all these nail polishes. They're huge. Again, the packaging is chef's kiss, and the brush is definitely longer. I'm going to start swatching. Let me know your favorite color down below. Now I'm taking the Beetles Tipex forms and long stiletto, and I'm doing 2 coats of the dark red color and cured in between. Once I was done, I applied the black nail polish on a piece of foil, and taking a mini nail sponge, I start dabbing the top and turning the nail upside down to get an even layer. I do that to about a little bit before half the nail, and I keep doing that until I have the perfect blend. Then I went ahead and cured, and here I'm doing a second layer. I'm leaving most of the color on top and going in with the clean side of the sponge to blend that out. Once I have the perfect blend, I went ahead and cured the rest of them. And then taking the thin brush from the Floral Beetles brushes, I went ahead and did 3 lines to build a simple spiderweb. I did the middle line a little longer, and then I'm doing an upside down U to connect the first point and doing the same to the second point. Once I was done, I did the same technique on the inside of the web. And now that I'm finished, I went ahead and I applied a top coat. And here are the final results. I love these nails for the Halloween season. They're so cute. Stay tuned for more spooky nail looks. Thank you for watching. Bye.